My name's Hiccup.
Those who stay will look after Hiccup.
Yeah, that's more like it.
Hiccup, get in there! Whoa! Focus, Hiccup!
Hiccup? Are you in there?
Yeah. For those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
I am not listening to anything you have to say. Start talking.
She moves her body like a cyclone, and she makes me wanna do it all night long. Going hard when they turn the spotlights on, because she moves her body.
You're right. I'm through with the lies. I've been making outfits.
You're so hypnotizing. Could you be the devil? Could you be an angel?